Squarespace includes a built-in image editor for making changes to images on your site. Editing tools include brightness, saturation, cropping, and aspect ratio. For image blocks and thumbnail images, first click Edit in the page, click the image, then the pencil icon. Click Edit. In the Adjust panel, there are multiple editing options such as brightness, contrast, and saturation. Under the crop icon, there's additional tools to edit your image, including crop, flip, rotate, and more. Use the filter icon to add color filters to your image. To cancel your previous edit, click the Undo button. Once you're done editing your image, save the image. Then save the changes you made on the page. For other images, such as images on a gallery page, click Edit Gallery. Click the thumbnail of the image you want to edit, then click Edit. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.